Alrighty, look at that. Lord Jeez. I am going in. Ooh, with a knife for sure. Okay, I just wanted to show off this beautiful thing. It is really good looking. And I put on grill. Yep, I did. So now I want to open it up and fire it up everywhere. Sounds like a plan. Oops. Ta-dam, 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 ta-dam. Looks like a masterpiece. But I had to cut it for even cooking. Voila. Put them back in here. Oh, that's sticking to each other. We leave it like this. Okay. Here we go. There we goes. Of course, my plate is ready. It is still on, so we let it go. How we doing? It is crackling hot. Look at those. Woo. I swear it looks good. Okie dokie. Now this is newsworthy. How overdone it. We are going to try this today. I am amateur shredder. Wow. I'm killing it. What? How are they turning out? Okay, that's fine. Those are too small. I know. As long as it doesn't cut my fingers, we're good. Wow, that's taxing. How am I doing? Okay. Not what I thought for sure. Now, I'm back to using this knife because those are too small for me. That's a failed shred. Successfully with that bread knife. I am a better machine. Tadan. This is a no bueno. No. Doesn't work. This looks nice. Okay. We are plating. And this go on here. I have no. We're gonna eat all of them. Well, we're gonna try. Okay. And here Made some good stuff. I'm gonna have some on here. It is a rice, pork, cucumber salad. That sounds good. Bon appetit. I think we need a sauce. Wait, I'll find a sauce. Okay, this is for vegetable, and vegetable we are having drizzle. That's a healthier meal. Bon appetit. After all that shredding, we got something. At the bottom, rice, cucumber, and some beautiful pork made by me. Mujetulie and bon appetit. Eat your vegetables.